Hi everyone! So today I am at Miura Fuji. I'm trying to climb the Mount Miura Fuji. To get here, we take the train, get off the station at Keikyu Nagasawa station, and it's only a few minutes walk from the station. Mount Miura Fuji is in Yokosuka or near Kurihama in Kanagawa prefecture. It's near the sea, so it is quite windy, but it's definitely much cooler than Tokyo. And it is hot today. It was very hot in central Tokyo, but here feels cooler. This is actually the entrance of Mount Miura Fuji, and then it's not really easy to find. You can easily miss this. That's a sign actually here. So you go up the stairs. Oh, we can see the sea. Nice view. I wonder if you can see. Anyway, we will get the nicer view up there. It might be muddy because it rained hard last night. Oh, look at this. It's like a jungle here. Wow. No one's here. It's quite nice. Wow, this big tree fell down. It's a root. It's almost feel like we're in the jungle. No one's here, just us, and I can hear the birds singing. What's it called, that bird? In Japanese, we call this uguisu. That's the bird. Comes in springtime. So that sound is a symbol of spring. Uguisu. I don't know how to say that in English. Maybe I'll research later. Actually, this is the second time I come here to climb this Mount Miura Fuji. The last time when we discovered this mountain, I was quite excited because it's easy to get here. You have to take a train and it takes about 1 hour from Shinagawa station. But once you get on the train, KQ line from Shinagawa station, and it just that train brings you here to KQ Nagasawa station, and it's only a few minutes walk from the station, so it's quite easy. And after this mountain we can go to the beach, Miura Kaigan beach, and that is also very nice. So we can only hear birds singing and also this wind. Big sound. You want to go ahead?
Yeah.
This is really a jungle. Feels like we're going into the real jungle. Tokyo jungle, and it is muddy and slippery. So this Mount Miura Fuji is 183 meters high. So it's not the high mountain. It's easy to climb. I guess Mount Takao-san is how high? I don't know. Takao is very famous and it's very busy all the time. This Mount Miura Fuji is secluded. I wonder many people don't know this. So we're gonna have to hold this rope and then go up because this is really steep and kind of dangerous. This one.
Yes.
this is the top. Wow. Look at the view. So from now we are going to try Mount Takayama, that is that way. Last time when I came here I didn't try this, so this is the first time for me. And if we go this way, here, that's the route that you're going down and you keep walking and then you get to the beach. That's what I did the last time, but today I'll show you the sign here. This one. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's this Takayama Shrine. It's quiet here. Peaceful. So now, which way should we go? This or this? Actually, he went this way. I think this might be easier. Okay, I'll try going this way. Coming. Nice view from here. This is a resting point. It's not really high up, but still. I was wondering the name of the mountain that we were up, Mount Miura Fuji. Why we call Miura Fuji? I was thinking we must be able to see the Mount Fuji from the top, or there was a shrine called Asama Jinja. That is the Mount Fuji's shrine. So anyway, very nice view here. We can see Miura Kaigan beach. That's the beach that we want to go later. We can walk there easily. It's a nice beach. If we go this way, right side, it says Hodayama, Mount Hodayama. But we're not going that way. This Mount Takayama. That's where we are going today. This is the shrine, temple called Takeyama Fudoin. That's the one behind us, gorgeous. And here, this one is a museum. These days, because of the COVID-19 prevention, they don't have water here and empty, but here they have water at least, but it's not really running. At least instead we have the alcohol here. We are at the top of Mount Takayama. There is a temple over there. We went there and then here. This is the observatory. Nice view. Very windy though. And when I go hiking, I bring this onigiri. I'm gonna have this as a snack. So what we see behind is Tokyo Bay, and far away we can see the land that Chiba Boso Peninsula. And where we are now is Miura Peninsula. So I will eat some itadaki, umeboshi, pickled plum, onigiri, rice ball.
Flowers are azalea. No, I'm probably running out of power. 23%.
There is quite distance to the station, Takayama station, and it is 3 kilometers at least to get there. And Miura Kaigan beach is a little farther from there, so I'm guessing that we still have to walk 1 more hour. It's quite a good exercise today. So this is still a hiking course, it says. It's very nice. Like the small stream here, and reminds me of my mom's parents' house, like very countryside. This is so it's a little quiet now. Down to that way. So if we go to the other side, Zushi Beach, you might be able to see the sunset. Sun's going down to the sea, but still, it's very nice. I really love the sea.